National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Randall County, eastern Oldham County, northeastern Deaf Smith County, Potter County, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Wilderaville, or 12 miles east of Vega, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Boys Ranch, Wilderaville, Bushland, and Valley de Oro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Deaf Smith, Oldham, Potter, and Randall.